We have a 3D forward-looking sonar that lets ship operators know exactly what's in front of them. We have two models, one which goes out 500 meters, which is more than a quarter nautical mile, and the other which goes out 1,000 meters, which is a little more than a half a nautical mile. So we have these systems installed on yachts all over the world, expedition cruise ships, as well as various government, research, and military vessels. The primary part of our product is the forward-looking real-time information that our systems provide. But now we store all the information that we've just received in real time and build what we call our local history maps. This is basically a bathymetric survey of everywhere the vessel's been recently. Users can use this for performing an anchorage survey before dropping the hook. They can also use this information for following their way back out through a narrow passage in which they recently came in. Well, in 2018 we plan to be expanding a lot more of our local history mapping capabilities. We'll be adding the local history map information into our 3D sonar display. Currently it's displayed in our chart overlay viewer, and we'll be adding it to the 3D. We're also expanding into additional partnerships where our sonar data will be integrated into additional integrated bridge and ECTA systems. Currently we integrate really nicely into the Wärtsilä NACOS Platinum as well as the Transys Navisailor system, and I expect we'll be able to announce a couple of other big names later this year. In addition, we're also working on expanding our local history mapping capabilities so that we can provide greater data management and eventually allowing our customers to store and share data amongst their fleet. We really see our capabilities as something that will unlock the polar regions much more as more commercial ships and yachts move into the Antarctic regions. We have a number of customers that have explored the Northwest Passage. And of course, it's also still really valuable for tropical areas, often the South Pacific and even the Bahamas. Lots of places such as those, the main passages are relatively well known, but all of those gorgeous exclusive areas, those lagoons that you see in the photographs, those areas are really not well known. And although it makes a lovely afternoon to be snorkeling and enjoying the scenery, it's a really treacherous transit sometimes to get in and out of those locations. Recently, we've been spending a lot of effort working on educating the community about the important metrics for 3D forward-looking sonar. And we recently presented a paper at Oceans Conference in Anchorage, Alaska, where we presented applications of 3D forward-looking sonar and delved deeply into the specific metrics that are important when considering sonar technologies. In this coming year, we expect to be releasing various additional educational materials to help teach our customers and potential customers how to better take advantage of the 3D sonar technology. That's going to include both white papers and online video training.